Yo, what's up, people? Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? And I hope you are doing really cool. So let's get started. And in this tutorial, we are going to be looking at a tip or a trick. It's up to you to decide, which will allow you to add a header in here when you are printing something, right? So if I go to print preview from here, I see there is no header in here. And if you work in a company, you obviously need a header or simply a company name. So you would go to page setup in here, or you can choose it from page layout, and from here go to page setup. Same thing. From here, you want to choose header and footer, go to custom header, and here you can write your company's name. So I can write OAE International. Now if I click on OK and then click on OK and go to print preview, print preview. This is, as you can see, I see OAE International in here, but it's really small. So to overcome that problem, what you want to do is make your header a bit bigger. So you can just come in here and go to text size, and I would choose 18 because I want to choose 18. I'll choose Algerian because this text looks funny. Okay, and then I would go for OK. Click on OK and then go for this button, and as you can see, OAE International is there. Now what happens is, if I go to a different page, let's suppose sheet 6, and try using the, what the hell, there isn't any title in here or any heading in here. Basically the problem is simple. You added header on sheet 1 but you didn't add it on sheet 6. So how do you add it on all the sheets if you are having different sheets, like multiple sheets, like maybe at least like 10 sheets? Then how can you actually do the same setting on all those 10 sheets? So you gotta right click in here and click select all sheets, and then once you are done with that, you want to click on page setup and go to header again and go to custom, and obviously because everything is in here, you can just click OK and you are done. Now select any other sheet, let us suppose sheet 7, and go to custom preview. Okay, sheet 7 is a bit long sheet, so I would choose, actually I have maybe messed up with the settings, so I'm gonna come in here, and from here no scaling. Now as you can see, it says OAE International on this page, and if I come to sheet 6 and go to print, as you can see, it says OAE International here too. Okay guys, that was all for this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.